If you lead an active lifestyle, are training for competition, or simply want to keep better track of your health, a fitness watch is a necessary addition to your everyday wear. These devices help you focus on what you set out to do, whether running, cycling, swimming, or hiking. Some even allow you to download your favorite songs to onboard storage or take control of smartphone apps like Spotify. You can gain insight into where to maximize your efforts with detailed monitoring of your distance, steps, calories burned, heart rate, and more. Most wearables even provide data you can use to improve your sleep and offer specific training suggestions. Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra 2. While the Apple Watch Ultra 2 may be a splurge purchase compared to other fitness watches on this list, its top-shelf feature set makes it worth the cash. Thanks to its optional cellular connection, it is the best connected smartwatch for most, meaning you can leave the phone behind. You can listen to music without your phone, just use headphones or earbuds with situational awareness features, please. And you can send and receive messages or calls even if you are trail running, as long as you have service. That's a great safety feature for fitness watches since you never know when you may twist that ankle and need a ride home. The Ultra 2 is highly capable when it comes to insights. The wearable measures your blood oxygen levels and takes electrocardiograms right from your wrist to keep extremely close tabs on your cardiovascular health. Of course, it'll do the basics, like track your daily activity and measure your workouts, even if they include swimming. Number 2. Garmin Epics Pro, General 2, Sapphire Edition. If you like to hit the trail less traveled, the Garmin Epics Pro, General 2, is the best fitness watch you can get. The watch comes in 2 configurations, Pro Standard or Pro Sapphire, and 3 sizes, so you can dial in what you want and need. We particularly like the Pro Sapphire for backcountry use since the sapphire lens is incredibly durable and scratch resistant. In fact, it's the only screen I've not managed to scratch, even after using and abusing it. Plus, Garmin tested the watch to US military standards for thermal, shock, and water resistance, so you can trust it will hold up on even the most rugged adventures. Beyond durability, the Epics Pro, General 2, has a built-in LED flashlight on the front side of the watch case. It is surprisingly handy, and I find myself utilizing it almost every day, but it would be especially nice if you are trying to navigate off a trail after dark. You'll also have access to multiband GPS for accurate location information, which enables navigation via the topographical maps. Number 3. Fitbit Sense 2. The watches we've included here can be overkill for many people, which is where a fitness tracker comes in. The Fitbit Sense 2 is essentially a pared-down fitness watch. Though don't let that fool you, it is still highly capable of helping you track your fitness and health. It is packed full of sensors, including a multi-path optical heart rate sensor, CETA sensor, SPO2 sensor, skin temperature sensor, built-in GPS and GLONASS, ambient light sensor, and more. All of those sensors combine to give you useful health stats. It keeps an eye on your heart rate and alerts you if there is anything abnormal. You can track your sleep and stress levels. It automatically tracks exercises and can guide you on when it's time to rest or work out. And as a smartwatch, you'll get notifications right on your wrist. The lower price of the Sense 2 does mean there are some compromises. For example, if you want to take advantage of some features, such as the daily readiness score or in-depth sleep information, you'll need to pay for a premium Fitbit subscription. Number 4. Cororo Space 2. The Cororo Space 2 is a generation behind the current model, but it's still an impressive watch, especially for the price. One of the best features of this fitness watch is the battery life. Cororo promises up to 20 days of regular use, which includes tracking daily activity and sleep. It also offers up to 30 hours of full GPS battery life, which can last for serious ultramarathon runs. Another big advantage of the Pace 2 is how small it is. The watch weighs only 1.05 ounces, with the band, and is very low profile on the wrist. Despite the slim form factor, it is packed with plenty of sensors, including GPS, heart rate monitor, barometric altimeter, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope, and thermometer. You'll be able to gather plenty of data to guide your training and monitor your health. The display isn't as bright or beautiful as more expensive watches, and you won't have access to music controls or contactless payments, but those are minor details for many. Number 5. Garmin Forerunner 965. For runners and triathletes, it's hard to beat the Forerunner 965, or any Forerunner, in my opinion. Though all of the fitness watches here offer plenty of running features, this Garmin watch is clearly purpose-built to help you truly improve your running performance. Considering the bright and colorful AMOLED display, it offers impressive battery life. Even with daily runs and the always-on display enabled, you should be able to get nearly a week of life out of your watch. And it charges quickly if you need to top it off before going out for a run. Garmin hits its training features out of the park, which is no different on the Forerunner 965. The training readiness feature looks at your sleep, recovery, training load, and more to better guide your workouts. And the daily suggested workouts can help you when you're stuck. Garmin will even build training plans based on your races for truly fine-tuned suggestions. And the training status feature helps you understand your overall fitness at a glance.